Hello. So, having a really strange error in my code. I can't figure out what's going on. I thought maybe you could have some input. So, I made my form. It's not the final form, but it's just here for testing purposes. And I use method post, and I found a validation thing that said you could first this parses special characters, and then you call it to yourself, and you have this block of PHP up here that checks each variable and gives an error if it's wrong. Great, you know. And my original plan was to go to the end of all these checks and just say, if this error is blank, and this error is blank, and this error is blank, whatever, take the data and write to the file and produce the printable page. Seems good. That didn't work like at all. It just completely ignored my post inside the if statement. So I got around that. I made a second block of PHP that redoes the checks. And then I have this statement here. So what I was saying, if, and just for testing purposes, I only put email error. So if email error is blank, make a copy of the document, go to this printable PHP and submit. So the idea is, it passes all, if it doesn't pass the tests, that top block puts all this stuff in there. The bottom block I echoed for debugging email error. And if there's no errors, then it should, and I thought, post a printable. So what happens? The error stuff works. You know, if I hit submit with the email that's not an email, I get invalid email format. And down here, where I said echo your input, and inside the if statement I echo email, so I know that it's not being called right now. And outside the if statement I echo email error, so that's being echoed. Valid email format being echoed. But if I fix this, I hit submit, so it actually echoed the email. The email error is blank, so the echo below it is blank. But what's happened is it's past the if statement. It's seen this code and done absolutely nothing, and then it's echoed my email, just inside the if statement. And then if I hit submit again, then it does post a printable. That only happens on the second time I hit submit. And it's like it's referencing a form from the past, because if I mess up the email again and hit submit, it posts, the if statement says okay for whatever reason, but it keeps the messed up email. And the only way I can do it, I'm hitting the back button on my mouse. That's the only way I can reset the form. If I go back to previous iterations where the email's messed up, then it starts throwing the error again, and the if statement fails again. But when I make it a good email, the if statement triggers, but doesn't post, and then it posts. Second click. I have no idea why. Any help would be appreciated. Thank you.